Hey everyone, here is your Reloptix video to install your Vive Focus Vision lens inserts. So when you get your case, go ahead and separate your bases and your frames. The bases should be on the bottom. The bases have this insert here. You'll see there's 3 teeth. All right, let's get this installed. So first thing you're going to want to do is remove your facial interface. Now you can install your bases. Pretty straightforward. You want to start on the bottom and then go on the inside by your nose, which is the biggest tooth. So go around the housing here. Then go on the nasal side and then grab this right side. It'll be right or left, but the outer side, and then push it down and it'll be installed. It doesn't have to be too complicated. As long as it's down, you're fine. You will be able to lift this side up later, but just keep it down. Bottom, nasal, stretch, and you're good there. So while you're looking at it, you want to make sure that this imaginary line between the opening here and the opening here is as even as possible. It looks like it's nice and straight across, so we're good. All right. So for the Vive Focus Vision, this design does not feature any leather tabs because of the constrained space that we have in here. So we have to install these a little differently. So what you're going to want to do is install your facial interface next, just like that. And then you'll see on your frame that you have a shoe system and a magnet in the frame and a magnet on the base adapter. So you want to line that up and slide it in place. Let me show you how that looks on the left frame. There's your insert here, and then you have a little nub for a rail. And on your frame, you'll see the slot where that rail goes into. As long as you line it up and push where it's supposed to go, it'll go in place. Right from there, you can make sure that you're all the way installed by pushing on the sides and lining them up. And then you're good to go. Now remember, if you ever want to remove your facial interface, you're going to have to remove your lenses first. Otherwise, it'll be stuck. It'll feel like it's stuck. Now, the reason that is because on your facial interface, there's a lip on the inside. So let's do the removal. So let's remove the frames. Slide. Slide. And now you'll see that the lip is resting on top of the base adapter. Okay. Now you can remove that and use as needed. You'll notice these don't rotate because of our design, and they stay snug. From there, you can switch to other inserts quickly and easily. Just like that. Reach out to help@reloptix.com if you have any questions.